Hey, hi everyone. How are you? Great. All right. So, in this session, we will talk about automation framework for REST API testing. So, what is automation framework? So, automation framework is a set of guidelines, right, which we need to follow for effective automation testing. So, when we talk about automation framework for REST API testing, let's see what all we should have in order to design and develop automation framework. So number one thing which I would need is Java. Item number two which I will need is IntelliJ IDE. It could be any IDE, for example Eclipse maybe. Next thing I would need for creating the automation framework for REST assured API testing is Gradle. Another thing which I would need is Git. I would also need Bitbucket and I would also need Jenkins. I would need TestNG. I would need Log4j. This is for logging for purpose, and also some reporting library we might need. Reporting library. For example, let's say extent reports or LO reports. So in order to design framework for API testing, I would need Java, IntelliJ IDE, Gradle, Git, Bitbucket, Jenkins, TestNG, Log4j reporting, and I would need REST assured. Only these many things, a small list. Okay, so I would need this thing, and with the help of these things, I should be able to create automation framework for REST API testing. All right. So I'll start assuming that you have installation of all these things, and let's see what all you should have. So I would suggest, and you can easily install Java if you like. If you just Google how to download and install Java, you will see a bunch of solutions, bunch of results. So installing Java is pretty simple. So on my machine, let me see what I have. So if I see Java version on my machine, so it is, I would say you should have at least Java 8 on your machine. So in my machine I have Java 1.8, and let's see what I have in Gradle. So I can see the Gradle version like Gradle-version. Gradle version I have is, it should come, and sometimes it's a bit slow. I think 4.7 I have in my machine. So by using Gradle-version, you should see the Gradle version installed on your machine. Here you go, I have Gradle 4.7. Let me check my Git version, Git-version. It is the command to check the Git version. Git version I have. Essentially, you should have Java, Gradle, Git installation on your machine, first three things, and you should have IntelliJ IDE, right? And rest of the things we can manage, like these Jenkins we can download this TestNG, Log4j, reporting library. These all dependencies we can get from the build.gradle file. So I'll show you how to get those things. And you need to have Bitbucket account where you will create one remote repository and where you can have your code base over there. So for now, just don't panic. Like we have these 10 items which we should have in order to create an effective automation framework for REST API testing. I'll go through all these items one by one, and we'll start automation framework designing and development from very scratch, right? So these are the list of things which we need for the creation of automation framework. All right, thank you.